Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can put different text in TikTok like this video. Okay, so to put different text in your video, you can browse a video or picture from your camera roll, or you can record a video. So let's record a video for this one. Okay, so to put different text in your video, you need a picture or video from your camera roll, or you can record a video. So for now, let's record a video. Okay, so now at the bottom you can see the text button. Tap there and you have to select classic. Let's write classic. Now let's exit, drag and position the text wherever you want, then tap on the text button again. Now select typewriter. Okay, position wherever you want, resize. Okay, now do this again with handwriting. Okay, do the same thing again. If you want to change the color, and change. Okay, let's do it again. And you are done. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can put different text in TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.